Most guys want a bigger, leaner, stronger back. But for most, they don't feel it, and when they look in the mirror, they feel like it's taking forever. That used to be me. And today I'm gonna share with you a few changes that helped me that I think could help you within your journey as well too. Anyways, at the same time, I'll be sharing with you this delicious crispy chicken recipe with spaghetti and Alfredo sauce, and I'll show you how to meal prep it, the exact process to it, so you can do it for yourself. So if you're serious about building muscle while simultaneously learning how to create high protein meals that you can not only do today, but for the rest of your life, well, I need you to stay tuned. Last one. That's cash. Oh yeah. Oh, overall feeling good. Back day today, strength focused and controlled, but I still want you pulling every rep like your life depends on it. It's like when your uncle grips your hand really tight, but you refuse to let go because letting go feels worse than the pain. I opened up with pull-ups, simple bodyweight 3 sets of 6 to 12. Then I hit deadlifts, 5 sets, building up from 135 all the way to 495. 225 was clean, 315 was heavy but sharp, 405 made me focus, and 495, well, that one humbled me today. I'm not gonna lie, that deadlift, feeling 495 kind of pissed me off because I got it last week for like 2 and now I just felt it going for 1. But overall, now we're just prioritizing me back all the way. So back to regular scheduled program. Cool, let's go. From there, I moved into seated close grip rows, mid-back work. But I'm not chasing numbers here. I'm chasing that strength and squeeze, controlling the negative and using my full range of motion. You do not need to go heavy if you're not even feeling the muscle. Then cable pullovers, lat isolation at its finest. If you've never felt your lats stretch or contract on every rep, this will wake them up. Keep the arms slightly bent, elbows pointing out, and let the tension do its work. Final machine for the back was a high row machine, but I did something I've never done before. I used the chest fly rubber grips instead of the actual handles themselves. From there, used one arm at a time, no momentum, no twisting, just clean pulls and full control. And it actually felt amazing. I would highly recommend you give it a try as well too. And after my back was smoked, I threw in some biceps to finish, because if you're pulling heavy, your arms need to keep up. Start with single arm preacher curls on an incline bench. Not your typical setup, but the angle forces the tension to stay locked from bottom to the top. You can't cheat these. No swinging, no momentum, just patience, stretch, and grinding through every rep and inch. Then we wrapped it up with 2 sets of close grip curls, straight to failure. Chest up, lock out those elbows, and rep until the bar stops moving. Seriously. And remember, build your back, protect your spine, and your arms are part of that pull chain too. Back day is completed. Now, I'm not gonna lie, some of the workouts I wanted to do weren't here because of the new program, and some of the exercises weren't available. So I'm definitely thinking in August, signing up to a commercial, not a commercial, private gym, more private gym, so I can have access to equipment like that. Because again, I love this gym, but it's close. But I just want something where I'm able to try different exercises to really take my physique to the next level. But feeling good. That spread is pretty good. Oh, overall feeling good, man. Feeling really good. I'm finding myself doing exercises I either haven't done in a while or I've never done before, and they're actually feeling amazing, great. And it's good to know that there's more out there. Most importantly, there's more out there to get used to train with. And yeah, that's the beauty of working out. That's why I always say, like, with science-based lifting, all this shit, let's bring it all together, bro. Let's collaborate. That's the best way to express their narrative and our narrative and simultaneously combine them together for collaboration. So therefore, it's not spewing, but it's, hey, let's work together to get each other better. But anyways, that's it for back day. I'll catch you guys back home. I understand that most of you aren't used to prepping meals, or if you do, it's usually something that you do for a week or 2 and then you stop. But I really want you to understand this, that it just makes your life easier. And the only way that you will fully understand what I say, what I'm doing, and how I'm doing, and how I'm applying it is if you do it for yourself too. Meaning, you don't just meal prep for 2 weeks, you meal prep for 3 months straight consistently. And I promise you, it will change your food habits, it will change how you see food, but most importantly, it's going to give you a lot more variety than you actually think. Because here's the thing, most people avoid meal prepping because they think it just has to be chicken, broccoli, rice. But what they don't understand is they can make a variety of meals that they enjoy right now, but just healthier. And actually do it to where it's not just a $20 meal you bought, but it's $20 worth of ingredients that you duplicate for 4 meals, which therefore gives you your favorite meal 4 to 3 times out of the week. To me, that's a win-win. So my biggest thing to you, it's give it a try and stay consistent with it. We've got our 2 pounds of chicken or avocado oil, and we've got our breadcrumbs. Let's get into it. But beforehand, we've gotta crack 2 eggs. 1, 2, come on, 2% milk. And you go for 1 cup, beautiful. Put that to the side. Some chili powder, some crushed peppers, some onion salt, and a little bit of garlic. Now we mix it up. 1 cup. Hopefully that's enough. At the same time, we're gonna turn our fire and we're gonna put some avocado oil right in there and get that bad boy and do it, you know, all simultaneously. But it's looking good. Before we get to the second batch, I want you guys to check it out. Back and forth. Our water's on the stove and we're gonna use about 10 ounces of Prince spaghetti. So once our water is boiled, we're gonna crack them in. Our water is boiling. We'll take this bad boy. Ooh, crack them. Damn it. Exactly what I didn't want to happen happened. A little bit of garlic salt. Now we let her boil. Ooh, that thing hot, that thing hot, that thing hot, that thing hot. Boil, 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 boil. 1 cup or 1.5 Alfredo. That's 1. Let's get the other half in there. That's half. You can see it from here. Now we just mix it all together. We're gonna 1/2 cup of jack cheddar. Beautiful. All set. But we're not done just yet. We're gonna cut up our chicken. Every container must get a decent amount of pasta. We'll go 1 with this, 2 with this, and then 7, not 8, my bad. Now, we're gonna take our chicken and place it right in there. And voila, ladies and gentlemen. And if you like to do what I do, a little bit of this. Let's put which one? This one. On top of your chicken. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's what I'm about to eat right now. Bon appetit. Now, for the macros and what we've been waiting for. So now, calculating everything together, the total, it's, ooh, look at that shit. For everything, but remember, we gotta divide it by 7 servings. So if we do 4,500 divided by 7, that's 640 calories per meal. Now, if we do carbs, 513 divided by 7, that's 73 grams of carbs per meal, which is sufficient. If you do 176 divided by 7, that's 25 grams of fat per meal. And if you do 217 divided by 7, that's 31 grams of carbs per meal. And to me, that's delicious. That's gonna hit the spot. And yeah, I'm about to enjoy my plate. So I'll catch you soon, because I'm hungry.